Alright, I bought some strawberries. You gotta gently pull them apart. There's a rubber band around it. I tried to take off gently. It's kind of stuck. I'm putting 10 strawberries in one 20-gallon grow bag. It's those felt hefty bags. I just got a bunch of them from my angel for free. When you're doing God's work, He'll give you what you need. So, some of them look fat. Like, see how skinny this one is, and this looks super fat. So, I don't know if it's two, but it looks like it might be. So, yeah, look at the roots. Are they like growing around each other, or maybe I'm about to kill the plant? I don't know. Looks like two plants grew together. So you just gently tear out these dry plants. The stringy part is the roots. Put that at the bottom, 2 inches deep. Prepare the soil with some fertilizer and nutrients. I just bought this. It smells like shit. Beat that out. It smells like poop, manure. But it's organic and it's natural, so I'm gonna try it. I have this other one I got, which is a powdery kind, organic. You mix it in the water and then water your plants with it. That one is, my plants really like that one so far, but this is my first time using this one because you mix it in the soil. Okay, this looks like a bunch stuck together, but I don't know how to get them apart. This looks like one hard rock up here. This might be just a well-established root. So I prepped a bit. Now I'm adding the organic fertilizer to the soil, about a 1.5 cups, 2 cups. And it smells like poop. Whew! It stinks. So I'm gonna just stir this in the top. I'm only planting the strawberries a couple inches deep. So I want this in the surface. I don't need to go... Woo! Woo! Freaking bugs. I'm okay. I think it was a fly. I'm here, I'm back. I gotta come one with nature. Live with the bugs. I got so many plants growing because I literally am growing, you know, when bugs infest a plant, they infest only one plant. So I wanna have extra plants to donate to the bugs. They're not gonna like invest every plant all over the garden. There'll be one place, and then when they're done, then they'll move on. So I'm just laying out my strawberries. I'm coming to the light. Sorry. They tangled. Strawberry dead. So they're essentially dead, but they come back every year anyway. So they're not dead, but they're dormant. Plant them and they'll come back. I'm gonna get me some rainwater. Plants prefer that. It's getting low. Alrighty. Who's Coco? I already got one planted. I'm gonna get this well watered. There's a heavy rain coming in a few days. I want to get as much as I can planted, get the garden ready. I got all these dead plants to pull up. I got seeds in a greenhouse. And I'm like a month late starting the seeds. I And I'm tempted to go buy some plants, but I said, forget it. Because I'm starting the seeds in the sunlight in the greenhouse instead of indoors with the indoor lights like last year. I know they'll grow more vigorously and may be very vibrant and catch up. Last year I put some plants outside that I thought were dying, and they turned out being stronger than the rest of the plants because that sun energy was right what they needed. So I'm hoping this year they grow faster, so to make up for time I put them in a greenhouse. I like watering it slow with the sprinkler compared to a water hose or some type of drip system that's slow. It gives the soil time to drink and absorb the water. If you're sandy and not absorbing water, you need more plant material, dead plant matter, compost in your soil is too sandy. So this is 7 liters, 2 gallons, and let that just grow in the sun. Later on, I'm gonna figure out how to keep the birds off of it. Right now, we're just getting it started. For the potatoes, I'm gonna use a little bit more and try to dig more thoroughly. I want those well fertilized. Stir that up deep. I'm gonna put 10 potato seeds in here. 6 inches deep. I'm not sure what I'll do.